Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a custom 62 Chevy Pickup. The casting is by Hotwheels and part of their Silver Series. For those who don't know, Silver Series is like a mid between mainline and premium casting. So you get some good details than mainline, but still misses on details like rubber wheels and metal base, all that. So without waiting any further, let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 62 Chevy Pickup out of its box, and as I said, it's Silver Series, so it has got better details in a mainline, and that's why you can see it has got detailed headlamp, fog lamps, and turn indicators in the front. It also comes in a very nice yellow and cream paint. Looks really good, two-tone, very classy, and it's a lower truck. It's a custom truck, so you can see how low it is. Now it does miss out on mirrors because basically it's an older casting which Hot Wheels kind of did in a new variant, and they didn't do a lot of mirrors before. But if you look on the driver's side, you can see this very classic looking windshield which you don't see anymore. Very different design on the door too. You have this trim that goes from the door to all the way to back. Talk about the lowered height, so you can see how the wheels are like pretty much inside. Also got the twin exhaust on the side and fuel filler on the driver's side. That's also, you got the Hot Wheels written on. Moving to back, again good details here. You can see you got the Chevy badge, tail lamps, reversing lamps, all of them are detailed. Passenger side looks almost identical, only difference being the fuel filler cap. And this is how it looks from the top. You got a sunroof. Obviously actual truck won't have chrome seats and chrome bed, but this one does. And I don't know what is this. It looks like a surfing board or something else. I'm not sure what is. If somebody does, please let me know. And on the top, if we see from there, we can see this trim. You know how the older trucks or cars used to have, so you can see this trim too. Looks nice. Looks good. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So it's actually finished in black, but then the tips are chrome and the interior is chrome. I don't know why they should have just done black. It would have looked much better, in my opinion. The interior and the bed, I mean. But overall, it looks good if you ignore those two things. It has got good details, nice paint, and will make a good addition to any collection. Those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.